How will you be paying today?
I'll be using PassPoints.
Alright, sounds good.
Your PassPoint account allows UW Green Bay students, faculty, and staff to prepay for goods and services in most retail areas on the Green Bay campus, as well as several off-campus locations in Green Bay. PassPoints can be used at all dining venues and most retail services on campus, including computer print stations, copy machines, corner store, Phoenix bookstore, and vending machines. PassPoints can also be used at several off-campus locations, such as gas stations, convenience stores, and local restaurants. Keep in mind that dining points cannot be used to purchase alcohol, tobacco, vaping products, CBD products, lottery tickets, or gift cards. Dining points can be used to purchase food and non-alcoholic beverages on the UW Green Bay campus. Purchase PassPoints by logging into your eAccounts online account through the University Union website, or by visiting the University Ticketing and Information Center located on the main level of the University Union. To summarize the differences between dining and PassPoints, dining points can only be used on food and non-alcoholic drinks on campus. PassPoints can only be used on campus and selectively off campus, and they can be used to purchase food and material goods as well as services. In conclusion, dining and PassPoints are a great way to prepay for material goods, services, and foods. Visit www.uwgb.edu/dining.